recording. Chapter 8, Lesson 5, Explore It. Okay, let's take a look at this. We have on our paper, we need to record the coordinates on A, B, and C. So looking at this, can you tell me, is it working? Jordan, what's the coordinate for A?
-6, 7.
-6, 7, that is correct. Okay, let's look at letter B. On letter B, what is the coordinate, Christian?
-2, 1.
-2, 1, that is correct.
I dropped my pencil.
And the coordinate for the last one, letter C. Emily, what do you have?
-6, 1.
-6, 1, that is correct. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take our coordinates and we're going to trace them over here. So we're going to trace, just moving it 1 over. So if I move my triangle and trace my points, they should look like this. So now we have to figure out what are the new coordinates of my triangle. And this should really be on this part right here. Let me erase that and fix it. It should be right there. Okay? Okay, let's look at these points. So now we're going to name the points. So Jordan, can you give me point A?
-1, 7.
Perfect. -1, +7. Okay, let's look at letter B. What's our new letter B, Christian?
3, 1.
3, 1, that is correct. Excellent job. And the last one we have is C. What's the new one for letter C, Emilus?
-1,
1. -1, 1, that is correct. Okay, so we're going to compare the coordinates of the triangle. And this is a translation. A translation means that we slide. So how far did we slide from point C to the new point C? How many boxes? So count your boxes. And Emily says that we slid
5.
by 5. So this was a translation to the right 5 units. Did we move up?
What?
No, we just slid our triangle to the right 5 units. Done. Okay. Next,
Jared,
we're going to
sit
skip
down.
number 4. Okay, Jared, have a seat, please. Okay, suppose you slid on number 5. Suppose you slid a figure on the coordinate plane 3 units left and 7 units up. How would the translation affect? So would it be positive or would it be negative?
Positive.
Positive. So this would be positive. Yep, this is not writing for me. Positive. And it would be
My folder.
-3 to the left, and it would be +7 up. Okay, so let's try this. Try on your own, number 1, moving the triangle left 6. Okay, so what do we have for letter A, Jordan?
-4, 3.
Jordan, that is correct. -4, +3. And letter B, what do we have? The new letter B, Christian?
-1, 1.
-1, 1, that is correct. And the new positive, or the new point for C, Emilius is? -4, 1, that is correct. Excellent. So now we're going to erase this, or just keep it on your paper. I'm erasing it because it gets too messy for me. So now we're going to choose and do number 2. So pause the video. Okay, Jordan's going to do number 2 because he's so awesome.
Thank you.
Jared,
Thank
have
you
a
very
seat. Okay, number 2, letter A.
much. 2, 2.
2, 2, that is correct. Letter B.
2,
2, 2. Letter B.
5, 0.
5, 0, that is correct. And letter C.
2, 0.
2, 0, that is correct. Okay, let's move on to number 3. Pause the video. Okay, so now we're on 3A. So we have our points. Can you give us our first point, Christian?
-7, -2.
-7, -2. That is correct. Perfect. And letter B, Christian?
-4, -4.
-4, -4. That is correct. And letter C, Christian?
And -7, -4.
-7, -4. That is correct. Now, these are the 3 types of translations. Transformations, how things can move. So there's a slide, there's a flip, and there's a turn. This one, what we did was, did we do slides, flips, or turns?
Slides.
Slides. So primarily today, we worked on translations.